What's up, guys? Today here we are at Jackson's and we're working on our LS. We're torquing down all the bolts, torquing down the head, and then we can finally put our gaskets and our valve covers back on. Today the motor will be fully assembled, so we'll go ahead and doing that. We got Earl studs because ARP was sold out, so we had to buy some other ones, but I just think the ARP is in another box, to be honest. So we're already doing this one. We're pretty much done with this side of the head. Then we got to do the other side. So stay tuned. All right, we got the head all torqued down. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the gaskets on, put the valve cover on, and we got the intake right there. We got the gaskets and everything that we need. We got a lot of parts down there, so trying to build this thing, put it all together by today. No more truck intake, thank God. And then yeah, all right, we're putting on. We got the push rods on and the rocker arms. Now we're putting on these little bolty bolts, and almost there.
I hear you sneaking your video.
We got this man here.
I got push rods on.
I'm trying to get the names right, you know. I don't want to say something wrong. I'm like, that's not a rocker arm, bro.
You can call it whatever you want.
It rocks out, bro.
As long as it goes where it needs to go, call it whatever you want.
Mama number 5?
Yeah.
So it's up to the vlog, bro. Dark.
It rocks.
It rocks.
Yeah, the arm definitely rocks.
And it rolls.
Monica, Erica,
Sabrina.
no, Monica.
Oh, we're giving them names? What, a DMX song?
No, it's Mama number 5.
Oh, I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know, come on, man.
A little bit of Erica all night long. A little bit of Jessica.
I don't even know the names like that. I'll give you props, bro.
Yeah. So you just gotta name them all in order of the Mama number 5.
That's how you do it.
A little bit of tree.
All I need.
A little bit of Tia.
Oh, a little bit of... Damn, okay.
Yeah, so you can name them all in Mama number 5. And I want to tell you that's the problem. You gotta like see the song you're at.
Yeah.
That's Trina, bro.
Yeah, Trina's the problem.
They're gonna be like, what are you doing? I'm like, just trust the process.
Sandra's in the sun. It's not the motor anymore. Fucking Sandra.
This is actually very hard to do with one hand.
Charging upgrade. Okay. Upgrade the needle bearings in them.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Stock is actually like a really pretty stout piece.
This motor has come from nothing to something, somewhat.
Mm-hmm.
Still got a long way to go though, but we there. All right, we just got to torque all these down, but everything's in. We got the intake on. No more truck intake. Got our valve covers right here. Got the headers on. We can put those back on. The heads are torqued down, nice to spec. Super excited. This thing is gonna be one beautiful thing, bro. Can't wait for this. And right here we got the magical box. Yep. Terminator X. Look at this thing. Look how clean packaging it is. I'm excited for this right here. I waited. Ordered it in November. It didn't get here until like last month. We're in April, so it took a while, but it's here. Rest in peace to Jackson's old hood. Cause lightweight. Ooh. Bro, y'all ain't ready for this shit, bro. All right, we just tapped into there, so we can run this bracket right here, like that. That's for the alternator, power steering. They're fucking golden. So I'm gonna put the alternator on right now, and that will be a complete motor. All right, guys, yeah, I've reached the end of the vlog. I haven't recorded too much. We did a lot today. We're here with my boy Chris Jackson. Everybody go give him a follow, Jackson Performance. We got the LS ready. And that bad thing, stay tuned, man. That's just coming to a fucking drift track near you.